been planning some really exciting things for you children. It's going to be wow, and you're going to enjoy it so much. We've had some wonderful feedback from all our book reading, and we've got some fabulous books that we're going to be reading to you very, very shortly. You can see here we've had Rainbow Dots, but we've got Rupert Snowman coming to you. We've got Cam Sneakers. We've even got My Many Coloured Days books, and we've had some wonderful feedback from The Tiger Who Came to Tea and from The Colour of Things, and we're looking forward to sharing some lovely things with you very shortly. Can you guess what we've got in store for you? We've got colours, we've got spoons and bowls, and it's gooey and it's very, very fun to play with. Have you guessed what it is yet? I bet you've guessed what it is. It is Fun Story Factory's favourite famous slime. Gooey, squidgy, fun to play with. You're going to be making it alongside with me, and some of you are going to be lucky enough to win it for free, and we're going to package it and send it off to you. So watch this space now. So we're going to start making this slime very, very shortly, but do make sure you watch this to the very, very end so you can find out how you can be one of those that will receive the free slime from us, from Fun Story Factory. We're going to begin. So first I'm going to take half a cup of just a normal shampoo. And we've got a nice measuring cup here. We've got lovely gooey shampoo coming out, and we're going to have to squeeze and squeeze hard so we can get to half a cup. Nearly there. Isn't that a lovely colour? And then we've got some wonderful glitter that we're going to be adding to it, and colouring stuff soon. There we are. That's nice. And we're going to pour it in. There we go. Lovely, lovely shampoo. Are you all getting ready? Who's going to be playing with this lovely slime very soon? Right. All done. Now we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch. Let's open up the packet. Oh, this is a bit tough. Well, that was fun. That went everywhere, didn't it? We're going to pour the cornstarch out very carefully now so that it doesn't go over everybody else and all the cameramen. And we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of lovely cornstarch. And we're going to mix it well. And this is what we're going to do. And we've got that's looking nice. We're getting it mixed nicely. Looks a very pretty worktop here. Okay, I think that's mixed well. Right, then we're going to add to that 3 tablespoons of food colouring. So we're going to get, which colour shall we choose? Which one shall we choose? Shall we choose the orange, the yellow or the red? I think we'll go for orange to match my lovely, lovely hair. Here we are, 3 drops. We're going to have 1, 2, 3. Let's stir this and see how this looks. I can see it getting very squidgy indeed. I think we need a bit more food colouring, don't you? There we are. Now the orange is starting to get strong. Do you think we should go for some other colours? Should we try some red as well? Here we are. Some lovely red food colouring. Oh, that's beautiful. Then to this, we also need to add our tablespoon of water, which I have got ready. Oh my gosh, can you believe the flour went everywhere? And look what we've made. Fun Story Factory's glitter ball. It's so squidgy and fun to play with. Look, and you're going to get a chance to win this for free. So check out the description below for all the details about how you can get one of these free giveaways. So this is what you're going to receive, and this is how it's going to arrive. Your lovely, lovely glitter ball, and we're going to do a few nice little colours, some red and some green on this one. Wow. And when you receive this, you can push your fingers into it, make it into your own glitter ball and design it all for yourself. And once you've made your Fun Story Factory glitter ball, you can then play with it whilst listening to one of the wonderful stories that we've got on YouTube. Enjoy! So here is how you enter the competition. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fun Story Factory. So watch one of our YouTube videos and give it a big thumbs up. And also comment below and tag 3 of your friends. And when we reach 250 subscribers on YouTube, we'll be sending out 10 of these lovely Fun Story Factory glitter balls to 10 very lucky winners. So enter now so you don't miss out.